Hi, I'm Rollin Stafford, director of the...
Hi, I'm Megan, one of the stars of the upcoming dark comedy One Dead Dog. Sorry, just a second. Sorry about that. We got this horror icon to be in our movie, but he won't do it unless we kill our directors. I'm just gonna take care of that.
Megan, what are you doing?
Hey, Daniel, I was telling everyone about our crowdfunding.
But you should be killing Rollin.
Yeah, no, I'm doing both, actually.
Get out of here, I'll take care of it. Hey, Rollin. There. He looks so peaceful that way. Now, if you want to see a movie with 3 people, serial killers, who form a bond over a body count, give money to our crowdfunding campaign. As a reward, you can possibly be in the film, get a VIP access to the premiere, or meet our named actor. And more.
Daniel!
Brian,
What are you doing?
I'm killing Rollin.
I know, but you haven't even gotten to the point where we talk about our name actor.
I was getting to that.
God, just get out of here! It does feel good. Hi, our name actor is Mark Patton, star of the cult classic film Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge.
You've got the body. I've got the brain.
And after he wraps our film, he's gonna do an international tour promoting his new documentary, Scream Queen, My Nightmare on Elm Street. So please donate anything you can to help us out, and we will deliver a fun, dark, gory comedy right to your door. Ooh. Hold on. Uh-oh. Guys, it's him. Okay.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey, Mark!
Good.
Good.
Right, it's great. It's
So
great.
great.
Did you kill that director yet?
Almost.
Well, now you better kill that director, or I'm not doing your movie.
Talk to you soon.
Please die!
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
I got some in my mouth.
Me too.
Trophy.
Who's gonna direct?
We should go.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks again.
Bye now.